We've managed to catch her feeding her beautiful babies. Oh no, she dropped some. You're just beautiful, baby. Just beautiful. Hard working thing. And what we've been learning, that building over there, I can't see it, but apparently there's a ledge there. Oh, look at the babies crying out for food. Anyway, she's off to hunt for more food. But they've actually deliberately facilitated it so that there's 4 really huge nests of big birds on the side of that building that you can see in the distance there. So the staff here really care about the birds. And there's a man here who's the triathlon coach. He's just filmed these babies and sent it to the lady who looked after them and nurtured the mother so that she could get a thrill and a kick out of seeing her beautiful bird. Zoom in?
Yeah.
How do you, what, here you mean?
Yeah. And then, did you see the nets on there?
No, I couldn't. Can you see them?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, do you want to try and film them?
Sure, if you'd like to.
Yeah, oh, look, you can get shots now, zooming in on the baby. You're feeding them right now. Oh, look, he just did a bit of crack. Wow, he really sweated that one out there.
Terrific, eh?
He just really pointed at us and fired, didn't he?
Yeah. So,
Take that, guys. Take that food.
Hang on. I'll show you. Thanks, pal. If you see, why can't I see them? I could see them. Maybe I'm gonna get told back.
Not sure.
Because I could see them before. Yeah. Oh yeah, there we go. So, you just see my finger there. There's one, and you see there's one in between there. A bit hard to see, but yeah.
Did you want to go and stand on that bench and film like he did?
Sure.
Because he reckons you get a really good view from there. And coming back as he's feeding the babies, they stick down outside.
Let's do fin.
It's so beautiful.
Let's do fin and snorkel. Fin and snorkel 200.
Oh, you can see the
Okay,
babies
think
there.
about straight entry, long reach, catch, pull, push. Okay. Yep.
Oh, here she is. Oh, you're getting food right in your mouth.
We can go with that.
I wonder if she just brings food and drops it in her mouth. I didn't see she regurgitates like other species, I believe, do. I'm not sure if she's grabbing bugs, coming back, shoving them in and flying off. She seemed to be sort of going, you know. So maybe she was doing some regurgitating as well, I don't know. You see the little babies? Yeah. They're so cute the way their heads come up. Like, hello, feed us. Feed us. Well, how cool is this? We didn't think we were going to catch some awesome stuff like this. See, this is what happens, people. When you just do it and come and spa bath, you might see some push stuff like this. But yeah, I'm so pleased that they're a welcome thing because they're pooping all over the ground. Like I could see why some people would be like, no, let's get rid of them. But they're beautiful native birds, peewees to Australia, aren't they? Are they natives?
I believe so.
Oh, I'm not. I love birds and I can't say anything about them because I don't know. I mean, my understanding of it is they're native, and I think they're in the same family as the magpie, which is why they're black and white and everything. And they may even be in the same family as the kookaburra. I think they might all be the same family of birds. I'm not sure, but they're very cool. You want to go eat?
Yeah.
Just say.